You're sitting with your best friend and she is venting to you because she doesn't love how her skin looks. She feels like her face is grimy and covered in blackheads. So you turn to her and you tell her about a product that you've been using that has changed your skin in a way that you've never imagined. You love using this product and you convince your friend to try this product because you've seen success with it. So your friend, she's interested on getting this product, so you give her a custom link that is unique to only you. So your friend, she clicks on that link, goes to the website, and buys the product you recommended. And cha-ching, you have money in your pocket and your friend is able to try a product that you've seen success with that hopefully she will see success with as well. That is affiliate marketing. Hello my beautiful people and welcome to today's video. If you are new here, my name is Kyla and today we are going to be talking about affiliate marketing for beginners. My goal for today's video is to give you an idea of the overall whole of what affiliate marketing is, because affiliate marketing is a business and you're not going to learn an entire business and how to be 100% successful in 10 to 15 minutes. But I really just want to help give you an idea of where to start and how to take those first steps diving into affiliate marketing. The first step when it comes to diving into affiliate marketing is applying for programs. So here's what I would recommend. Make a list of products, services, courses, whatever that you love to use in your daily life. Things that have made your life better or gave you a new perspective, whatever it is. Make a list of those things and then go and search those companies on Google. And most of the time when you search the company and also put affiliate program behind it, it will come up with something. So many companies these days have affiliate marketing programs that you can join for free. Most of the time, all you need to do is apply, fill out the form, and wait to be approved. Also, if you go onto the business site and scroll down to the very bottom, you can also often find information about becoming an affiliate there. Once you've applied to a program and you've been approved, now it's time to get your unique link. So oftentimes these companies will have an affiliate dashboard that you can log into, and your affiliate link should be right there in the front. Shouldn't be too hard to find. And what you need to do is copy and paste this link, and this is what you're going to use to give to other people to buy through you. Because once people click on that link and they buy something on that website's page, you get a commission for that. Now, there's a lot of different companies again out there that are doing affiliate marketing programs. The commissions are going to be slightly different, but make sure you understand what the commission is like and the payout. A lot of times the payout for affiliate marketing is a little bit longer, typically 30 days after the purchase has been made, because the company wants to make sure that the customer doesn't return the product or exchange it. So that's the reason for such a long payout period, but make sure you just check out those details too, and that should all be there in your affiliate dashboard. Now that you have your custom link, you are ready to take on the world. No, but seriously, you are halfway there with affiliate marketing. You need to decide if you're going to do paid ads or organic traffic. I've seen both of these strategies work really well, but when it comes to paid ads, make sure you have a big enough budget, because it's gonna take some time and a lot of money to figure out what ads are going to hit and be effective. And when it comes to organic traffic, you need to be patient. It's going to be slower. It's going to require you to create content consistently. But when it comes to organic traffic, make sure you pick a platform, whether it's Instagram, YouTube, blogging, whatever it is. Pick a platform and stick with it. Really learn the strategy behind that platform, what you need to do to become successful, because if you try and do 6 platforms all at once, you're going to be overwhelmed and burn out really, really quickly. Affiliate marketing is awesome and it makes me so excited talking about it. I think it is such a cool concept, and here are some things that make affiliate marketing awesome. First, affiliate marketing is free. You don't have to pay anything to sign up to be an affiliate, and you also don't have to pay anything to create the actual product. Second, your earning potential is unlimited. There are so many ways you can make money with affiliate marketing, so many different products you can use, whether it's high ticket, recurring commissions, low ticket commissions, all these different things. And if you do the work, you can make enough to sustain your dream life and start to bring in that passive income where You can go take vacations, you can go travel, spend time with family, and not have to worry about your finances because you've set up this system that still brings you money even though you're not working on it. Third, it's a great way to learn how to sell to people because essentially as an affiliate marketer, you are a glorified salesperson, but it really helps you to learn marketing, and also it is low risk. You are not creating the product. You are not in charge of the customer support. You are not in charge of delivering to the customer. That is the company's job. Your job is to simply push traffic to the company's website and you get paid when those customers buy. But that's all you are in charge of. There's not a lot you need to put into it, and there is a lot you can get out of it. Now that you know what affiliate marketing is, you know the steps you need to take, I want to give you some tips to help you avoid being that scammy salesperson that everyone absolutely hates and be someone who actually can make a full-time income from affiliate marketing. Tip number 1, no link barfing. When I see affiliate marketers taking their link and spamming their link all over social media, that makes no one happy. And as an affiliate marketer, that's not gonna make you feel great either. When you decide to give your link to someone, make sure the products you are wanting to refer to other people are actually relevant to what they need. And if you're gonna have success with affiliate marketing, focus on helping people solve their problems. If a way they can solve their problem is through product X, Y, and Z, then perfect. You can help introduce them to those products right away. But if you start pitching to people, if you start trying to get them to buy through your link right away, click on my link, click on my link, click on my link, people are not going to want to buy from you, and you're not going to make any money with affiliate marketing. So be strategic when it comes to getting your link out. Focus on helping people solve their problems, because as entrepreneurs, that's what we're here to do. We're here to help others solve their problems. So when you shift your focus to that versus just trying to get your link in front of as many people as possible, you're going to see so much more success. Tip number 2 is use the products you're referring. Now, I know this might not be the case for all products, but as a general rule of thumb, I highly recommend to all affiliates to use as many of the products they can that they are recommending. Because if you don't use the product, first of all, it's going to be really hard to convince other people to use it as well, because you don't know the good things about it, you may not know the bad things about it, all these different things. It's really hard to recommend products if you've never used the product, right? And this goes for software, courses, physical products, digital products, anything. Use the product. And also, if you don't use the product and you start recommending it to other people and they use it and they're like,
this product is garbage,
the trust they have in you will not be very high. And as you continue to refer more products, people are not going to want to buy from you because they don't trust you. So as an affiliate marketer, as someone who's building a presence online, you need people to trust you. And the best way to do that is to actually use the products, be honest, and engage with your audience and help them feel trusted and loved by you because you are here to help them. And the third tip for you guys today is give it time. Affiliate marketing is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It is a great way to bring in passive income. It is a great side hustle, but it is not something that's gonna bring you quick money, because it does take time. It takes time for you to build your presence online. It takes time for you to master the platform that you've chosen. It takes time to get to know your dream audience and how you can serve them. There's just a lot of things. And also learning how to sell, marketing, all that stuff, that also takes time. But if you're willing to be patient, if you're willing to go through the process, feel a little pain, feel that excitement as well when you get your first sale, you're gonna see really great results. And there are tons of affiliate marketers I've seen out there who have seen amazing results and are making so much money and are also really happy with what they're doing, but it didn't happen overnight. So give it time, be patient, and you will see results. If you're going to see success with affiliate marketing, I highly recommend having a strategy going into it. As with anything, if you don't have a strategy, you're gonna end up being really lost and unfocused the entire time. And I don't want you wasting any time, because I am here. I wanna help you start living your dream life and doing what you actually love to do. So work on developing a strategy that works for you. And I have a video talking about some awesome affiliate marketing strategies that are working today. I can link that down in the description below or up above here in the video. And if you're really looking to be successful with affiliate marketing, I would highly recommend this 30-day challenge that I took at the beginning of my business. Helped me make my first money online, and it taught me all about marketing and the strategy I can use to start affiliate marketing. This challenge is called the One Funnel Away Challenge, an incredible challenge. I took it myself, changed my life, changed my business. And so if you're looking to dive in and want someone to take you by the hand and show you step by step on what you need to do to become a successful affiliate, a successful business owner, that is something I would highly recommend. So go check out that video, go check out that challenge. They will be linked down in the description below. Boom! There you go. Affiliate marketing in a nutshell. Again, this isn't going to give you every single little detail on how to be successful with affiliate marketing, but I really hoped it helped give you an outline of what affiliate marketing is, the exciting parts of affiliate marketing, and how to actually be a good affiliate and not a spammy, crappy one. If you gained value from this video, don't forget to hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe. I love making these videos. I put out free content every single week. I'm so grateful for you, and I will see you on the next video. Bye, dudes.